Hello there, this is John of Art. I'm here in Kawayan, and what are we doing here? We are painting a mural for PRRCFI. Check out the meaning of the acronym. Anyway, we started painting out the mural for their comm center, but it turned out that we're also painting an entire bridge by these children of the community of Kawayan. So let's have a look at what we're doing here. Look at that, it's a bridge. In Ilonggo, it's called Tai Tai. Tai Tai. So we're painting sea life, marine life, isda, so all fish, all kinds of fish. Jessa, anong ginapinta mo? Ano na siya? Jellyfish! Indeed, it's a joy to be painting. It's a community work. We filled out this bridge with colors. So it's so nice to have a community of children painting, doing community work collaboration. And let the tricycle pass. Okay lang, let's retouch. Retouch lang. Sadya-sadya lang niya. So, ikaw Yamiga, sino ngalan mo? Evelyn. Sino ngalan mo? Jesselyn. Ikaw ya? Ginalyn. May Lynn Gin. Ginalyn. Okay, I stand corrected. Ikaw ya, sino ngalan mo? Hannah. O, sadya no? Sadya sa ilang pinta. Sino ngalan mo? Erito? Angelito. Ikaw ya? Andres. Okay. While the rest of us is doing this mural, the kids are doing theirs at the bridge. PRRCFI stands for Philippine Reef and Rainforest Conservation Foundation Incorporated. So we're starting them young. We're exposing them to art energy, and this is what they've done so far. Oh yeah! Ano ni siyang ginapinta nyo? Pugita? Pugita. Octopus. Pugita. And ano ni siya? Ano ni ginapinta nyo? Palad na ni subong. Abi ko butiti ni siya. Pufferfish. Butiti niya. Butahan ta ni Karen tunok-tunok. Pufferfish. And we have jellyfish and giant clam. Hi, pre. Oh, nano na ni. All started with a series of fish painting like this. But the children, hindi mapunggan. They can't be stopped. So we painted the whole bridge. Enjoy, enjoy la. Enjoy, enjoy. Mayari pa di. Deep of Danjugan. Look at that, it's a beautiful view out there. Nice place to enjoy coffee. Yay, relax, relax. Ano isa pa?
Coffee biatch.
Coffee biatch. Coffee by the biatch.
Coffee by the biatch. By the beautiful biatch.
Oh wow, mangko. Oh, gani. Community work here and there. Alright, we're almost done with our mural. Alright. Making use of what's left with our paints. Alright. Yay! Alright, this is our finished mural, and also on this side of the wall. Yay! This is John of Art and Toto and all of the kids, JR, all of the kids of Purok Tres here, your gateway at Danjugan. Saying bye-bye. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.